Well, as one of my longtime proponents on this channel says, we live in good times and bad times, and we are obviously entering a bad time. I do not think that is a secret. Let's call it a recession. Let's call it a down economy, rising layoffs, all of that stuff. Casey, I don't know about you, but a lot of my students and followers are starting to kind of get scared, trying to,
Hmm.
is this the time to sit back and wait? And I just wanted to think about what or hear about what you're telling them or what you're advising folks. So is this the time to just sit back and wait, Casey?
No, no. This is when people are getting out, that's when you get in. That's when you get in. That is one of the biggest questions that I get asked is I want to get started in real estate. Maybe now is not the time. Interest rates are really high and people are getting laid off. There's a recession. Maybe I should wait till that's all over. Maybe I should wait till interest rates are down. Maybe I should wait until the economy, the dollar and all of these problems going on in the economy. Maybe I should wait. What did I hear last year and the year before when the economy was great? Maybe I should wait. Interest rates are low, but man, prices are going up and they're going so high. Maybe I should wait. The overwhelming theme of what I'm always hearing, no matter the day, no matter the year, is maybe I should wait. So,
Yeah.
no, should you ever really wait? No. If the deal is good and you know what you're doing, then don't wait. Why would you do that? But now we have all these factors that are creating a negative, a negative stigma towards real estate, towards the economy, and maybe we should wait. Let's talk about what will happen if we wait. Now, short term, right? No one has a crystal ball. But we have interest rates. They've kind of gone down just a little tad for investors. They're not super high. They're under 7% for a 30-year conventional conforming investment loan. So that's not super bad. And we're seeing sellers still providing some seller concessions, and maybe you can get an offer below asking depending upon the market. So why would you wait for rates to go down maybe 5%? What do we think is going to happen if that is the case? If rates go down to 5% or real low sixes without paying points, what's going to happen?
Yeah.
The demand is going to skyrocket, and people that are sitting on the sidelines ready to pounce that are waiting are going to wait, and that is going to drive prices through the freaking roof. And you're going to say, dang it, I should have bought yesterday. And so we have to remember, this is what always happens. I should wait, and then I should have bought yesterday.
Yeah. I got to be very clear on this, right? I never tell people to buy, right? I can't tell them. I mean, I have no idea what your situation, your
Buy
market is.
anything. No,
Yeah, no, of course not.
no.
That said, you got to do the work.
Yeah.
That's what really drives me crazy when these people get fearful is they stop doing the work. The key to real estate investing is it is a skill. It's something all of us can learn, and it's not even that hard. It just takes
No.
focus and daily discipline. And all you got to do is look at your market for 90 days, right? Your buy box, and you're going to know what an average deal is. I never buy an average deal. I never buy a bad deal. I only buy good or great deals. And that's powerful, right? Again, I want to be clear. I do not buy average deals. I believe any investor, any buyer out there can buy an average deal. And I don't have endless supply of capital. So I have no interest. I pass average deals all the time. I will only do good or great deals. And then I don't care what the market's doing. I love it when people are afraid. Frankly, this year is going to be easier to buy than 2 years ago because I wrote 100 offers in 2021 and got 2 counters. You want to talk about a nutty market? That was a crazy market.
Yeah.
So you're right. It's just so sad. It's just so sad. It's just sad.
I think, when people are trying to mitigate the risk and they're worried, they're wanting to wait because they're worried. They don't have a lot of cash savings. They're afraid to buy the wrong deal. They're afraid it won't work out. That's when understanding your market and knowing having a good buy box and knowing your risk level is really crucial. I know that if I buy a cash flowing single family long-term rental property, I know my market. I know I'm going to have no problem renting that out. Now, if prices just fall to the ground and my house isn't worth anything. First of all, I don't buy all my portfolio in 1 year. So, okay. So you spread your risk out, every year you buy so many houses, whatever. And maybe you buy one and then market just tanks. If you're cash flowing, who cares? Really? Who cares? Because we're going to go through ups and downs. And there have been times where my properties have, been worth less, and been times when they worth more. And it's okay, because I'm not going to sell tomorrow. It's an unrealized loss. I have a 30-year fixed loan. I don't have a 5/1 ARM. I'm not in danger of having to refinance a property that doesn't have the equity there. I'm buying something for the long term. I'm using the conventional loan. I'm getting a 30-year fixed interest rate. I'm cash flowing on my rental property. And I know my rents are going to increase, maybe not tons, but a little bit every year, or every 2 years. There for sure will be a tenant increase every 2 years, no doubt, no matter what's going on, just because of, regular freaking inflation, So it's fine. I'm going to hold these properties for 10, 15, 20 years. I'm going to have no problem cash flowing on them. So it doesn't really matter if the market drops for me. What really matters is that I'm buying in an appreciating market overall, in an area that is not like the Detroit auto market crash, that I've got several types of major employment opportunities. New businesses are coming there. The local economy is getting fixed by the local government, and they're gentrifying and, doing revitalization programs, and they're putting money to see people want to move there. Starbucks is going there. Chick-fil-A is going there. Chipotle is going there. Okay, so the whole United States market goes down a little bit. It's all right. This area is fine, and it's going to be fine, and it's going to get better. So don't worry. Now, if you're buying a short-term rental, maybe be scared. If you've got an ARM loan, maybe be worried. But if you can, like you said, hold this, have your property cash flow and have it be a good deal for 10 years, you're going to be okay. There's not much to worry about. So it's okay to buy it if you're cash flowing and you're in a good market.
Yeah. Again, the best recipe for fear for me has always been recognition and then doing the work, right? If you actually do the work every day, you'll fear will disappear and you'll build confidence. And again, I'm not telling people to buy. I'm telling you, I'm just asking, I'm pleading, I'm begging, do the work. If you can figure out what an average deal is in your market, and then you stumble across, or you get fed via your network, a pocket listing, that's an amazing deal, your confidence level is going to be here. And again, in my world, cash flow day one, 30-year fixed rate debt. We're not doing 5/1 ARMs or 6-month teasers or any of that nonsense. You're going to be okay. But there are so many people that just get brought into this doom vortex that they don't do the work. It's like, what are you guys doing? I mean,
yeah.
And again, the sad thing is, I remember 2010, the best year in 50 years to buy real estate, even better than 2020. They were giving properties away for less than land value. Nobody was buying. I repeatedly bought houses for under 40 grand that were houses, right? They were less than the lot value. And there was nobody buying. It's like, guys, you're going to do it again. I'm not talking about prices.
To buy then.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But again, it's if you focus and do the work, you can it's like doing the work is a shield for fear. You can hold it back. If you don't do the work, fear will just run you over and you'll do nothing.
You have to be confident in your buy box. You have to know your market. You have to know exactly what properties will rent for, worst case scenario, best case scenario, and know what is a good deal and a bad deal. If you really know your market, then you won't be just closing your eyes and guessing. And you'll have a better chance of success.
Yeah. We don't gamble on this channel.
No.
Yeah. Don't gamble. Don't do average.
People work really hard for their down payment. I mean, years and years and years of savings, and to just blindly just going to pick something, bad move.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember, it's funny you bring that up, because I remember in the good markets, there were multiple people. I remember one guy, he said, Michael, I'm going to follow you to Fresno. I'm okay, great. Right. Here's a contact there. Go see what you got. I talked to him on like Monday or Tuesday after the weekend. And he goes, Michael, we saw 5 houses. We wrote 3 offers and we got 2 deals. I'm like, what? What are you doing? This was your first trip to Fresno and you got 2 deals in contract? Are you kidding me? What are you doing? Oh, I just had to. I'm busy. You don't understand. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, all right, you're gambling. That's insane. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Know
pretty
what you're
crazy.
doing first.
No, no. 90 days, folks. 90 days. Look at your buy box every day for 90 days. Casey, if somebody wanted to follow you, where would they do that?
They can find me at Brick by Brick Wealth, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and my website.
There you go. Thank you so much.